Good morning. Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. This is day 4 of a 5-day yoga challenge. I will link the first few days below. Please subscribe if you have not already. I post nearly every day and I am happy to help. Let's begin as we have every day in child's pose. Big toes together, knees are apart. Walk the hands forward. Arrive. Here we are again. Here we are with new experiences, with more awareness, more gratitude for your ability to step onto your mat. Bring yourself to the present moment by focusing on the breath, lengthening each breath in and out through the nose. Today's intention is gratitude for intuition. Your gut feelings. You could say intuition brought you to where you are right now at this very moment because you knew that this would help you to feel good, to enjoy life. That's what we all want. Walk your hands over to the right, left hand on top of the right. Reach it a little bit farther away. The left hand, I mean. And soften down. Feel a side body stretch on the left. Relax the torso. Let the stomach fill, expand as you breathe in. And encourage an exhale. Let's walk our hands to the other side. So the right hand is on top of the left, but just a little bit farther away. So the palm is on the knuckles, if you can, and let's relax down and stretch the right side. Use the breath to help. Eyes are open so that you stay present, creating conscious awareness of the present moment that you can take with you for the day. Walk back to center, press up to a tabletop, and soften forward into an upward facing dog, and a modified one. So we're going to leave the knees down, the toes tucked. Shrug your shoulders. Okay, now don't do that. Lift up and out. Feel the front of your body opening up. Lean onto your left hip. Look over the right shoulder for the right back corner of your mat. And switch sides. Dip the right hip down. Look over to the left. And come back to center. Find some more reach in the upper body, the front of the body. Upward facing dog, inhale. Exhale, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Keep the knees soft, pedal through the feet. And let's walk to the top of the mat. Separate your feet about hip width and relax over both legs. Press up to stand. Feet together. I'll turn to face you. Stand tall. Reach the arms overhead. Hold the left wrist with the right hand and pull up. Lean to the right. Up and to the right. Lift out. Try not to arch the back. We want to feel this in the side. Let's lean and reach to the left. Lift back up in the center, arms overhead, shoulder width. Look between the hands and inhale again. Long exhale, forward fold over the legs. Bend the knees, sit down. Scoot back. Let's bring the soles of the feet together. Knees are apart. Hold on to the outside edges of your feet. Roll the shoulders down and back, and we're going to come forward with a flat back. When you reach the end of your range of motion, let's round, lean back. You can hang on to the feet, and then build your spine back up, one vertebrae at a time. And then forward again with a flat back. So forward, pull the chest through, round and lean back, even onto the tailbone a little bit. And then start from the base of the spine, lift up, stand, sit tall. One more round. Sit up tall, and let's reverse the direction. So you can have a decent grip on the feet. Round, lean back, forward fold. Pull your collarbones through and sit up. Quiet mind in the morning. Take that with you through the day. Let's sit with our feet on the mat in front of us. Bring your hands behind you, feet about mat width distance. And we're going to windshield wiper the legs back and forth. So I'm going to bring my left knee down and lengthen it away from me just a little bit. I'm slowing down to show you. I want to reach it that way. You might not go that far. All right, feet on the mat, hands behind you, reverse, tabletop, fingertips point forward, press, lift. Try not to let the knees splay. Head can go back if you're okay with that. And sit down, extend your legs, inhale, lift up with the arms and forward fold over both legs. Knees can be soft or straight or whatever you need. A little bit of a round in the back will actually feel good, and stretch the spine. Let's lift up, turn to face the long edge of your mat. Left foot in, right leg out, sit up tall. And left arm reaches up and over. Try to feel the side body stretch, especially by pressing into the right hand down and away, and keep the left sit bone down. Rotate your left shoulder open slightly, side body reach. Sit up, lean on your left hand, left knee, right foot, baby wild thing. Press your hips forward, open up the front of your body. Sit back down. Arms side to side. Be a little strict as you rotate to face the right leg. Right hand behind you. Left arm reaches over for the pinky edge of the right foot. And we're going to pull and pull with the left. Press down with the right to twist. Breathe. Release. Switch out your legs. Right foot in, left foot out. Give yourself a moment, sit up tall, and then the right arm reaches up and over to the left. For extra, press down and away with your left hand. Lift back up, lean on the right hand, right knee, left foot, baby wild thing. Hips forward, open up. Sit back down, arms side to side. Use your core to rotate to the left leg. Left hand down, right arm over and across. If you can't reach the foot, you'll just hold on to the calf or your knee or your yoga pant leg. Twist. Let's sit up. Bring your left foot in, sit up tall, shoulders relaxed down. Let's just take a half or full circle with the neck in both directions. Ooh, lots of popping. Sit up tall, hands to heart center. Feel every part that is touching the ground, your floor. Let's close with a breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. A little extra air at the end. Inhale. Long exhale down. Remember to trust your intuition. Gratitude for your intuition. Keep your mind on that throughout your day today. Let me know how you are enjoying this challenge, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5. Namaste. $4